I'd like to update the public on how my children were legally kidnapped on June.
Billy Tarasio, Arizona family law attorney, 20-year veteran, and teacher of people on how to represent themselves. This mama is making some massive errors in representing herself in her family court case. And in her video, she talks about how she and the kids and the dad all lived in Pennsylvania, and there was an original court order in Pennsylvania that gave dad every other weekend parenting time, and mom had the rest of the time. Dad then let mom know that he was moving to California, and mom, several months later, filed to amend the parenting plan. In that process, mom had a lawyer, dad had a lawyer, and there was a conference where mom was excluded from the conference, but the judge entered a temporary order saying that the children had parenting time in California with their father. Now, mom is real angry because she didn't get an opportunity to express her concerns. She is making massive errors as a mom who's representing herself. Anytime you go into family court and you start talking about your children and how you need to be assured by the other parent that your concerns are addressed, and she's very angry that she doesn't have a background check of the person who's providing childcare in California, you are acting as if you have superior rights to dad, and you don't. And I know these children have been your children and under your primary care, and you've made all of the decisions, but that's not legally the status at all. Nobody's kidnapped if they're with their father, who has legal rights and authority to make decisions about who takes care of his children, unless he's been deemed unfit. And he hasn't been deemed unfit. And you don't have the right to go to court and tell the court why you think he might be unfit when nothing has happened that would actually show that he's unfit. You've got concerns. This pattern of behavior ends up with moms losing custody. It really angers the family court. It really angers judges. And it's normal, it's natural, it's understandable. If you've been the mom and you've done all the caretaking and you've been responsible for their safety and you want to continue that, it makes perfect sense why you feel this way. But you have to understand, if you're representing yourself, the culture that you're going into, the culture of family law, and what is required of you as a self-representing defendant or litigant. So I would really highly encourage you to join the Modern Divorce Support Group on Facebook and the Modern Divorce Navigator. We will teach you how to represent yourself, because you are making fatal flaws that literally could end up losing custody.